There's nothing quite like the thrill of creating something with your own two hands, the satisfaction of seeing your own creation come to life, the spark of creativity it ignites. And what better way to experience this than with our Shogini Toys Ultimate Traffic Signal DIY Kit? So, let's dive into the world of DIY with our Shogini Toys Ultimate Traffic Signal DIY Kit. As you open the box, you are greeted by a single-sheet manual with instructions and a connection diagram. Inside, you'll find the pre-wired and pre-programmed project, neatly mounted on an acrylic board. It includes a pedestrian signal module, a traffic signal module, a 4-digit 7-segment countdown display, a CPU, and a buzzer. All of these are mounted on a breadboard accompanied by a battery holder. Just add 3 AA batteries, switch it on, and voila! Everything you need is right here in the box, ready for assembly. The assembly process is straightforward, even for beginners. First, locate the battery holder. You'll find it connected to the breadboard. Carefully open the cover, and you'll see the slots waiting for your batteries. Next, grab your 3 AA batteries. Slide each one into its designated slot, making sure to match the positive and negative ends to the markings inside the holder. Once your batteries are secure, replace the cover. Now, flip the switch to power up your project. Watch as the traffic signal springs to life, cycling through red, yellow, and green just like a real-world traffic signal. The pedestrian signal also lights up, working in perfect harmony with the traffic lights. And just like that, your DIY traffic signal is up and running. Once assembled, the possibilities are endless. The finished project can be a shining star in a school science exhibition or the centerpiece of an interactive real-world model. It's not just about creating a traffic signal, it's about understanding how they work and applying that knowledge in a creative way. The educational and creative benefits of this project go far beyond the assembly. With the Shogini Toys Ultimate Traffic Signal DIY Kit, you've not only built a project, you've built a sense of accomplishment, creativity, and understanding. That's the real joy of DIY.